clicking around, clicking around. What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the moto vlog. We'll try this again here. I started filming just a minute ago before I went and got gas, and I forgot to take the lens cap off. So there's that. So today, again, we're just going for a quick little ride this morning. Thought I'd take you guys along. Go get some coffee, fuel for the brain. Anyways, we're going up to this place in, it's in Roswell, and it's actually attached to a Triumph dealership that I wanted to check out because I'm gonna need an oil change at some point relatively soon. But anyways, it's attached to this Triumph dealership, and one of my friends was telling me about it and said that they enjoyed being there. They have bikes in the showroom and all sorts of good stuff, so figured we'd try that one out. See how it goes. Lots of Corvettes out this morning. Doggy dog. Just get some and go. Just go as fast as you want. Lots of people out this morning. All right. Anyways, this coffee shop is, like I was saying earlier, it's attached to a Triumph dealership, so it's a pretty smart idea. I guess you could totally just go in, have your bike serviced. Whoa. Go in, have your bike serviced, and have a coffee all at the same time. We'll probably end up having to do that at some point. And I'm pretty sure, so I looked at the map figure out how to get there. I'm pretty sure I know how to get there, but not 100% positive. Not 100% positive. G63. Wonder what that little symbol is on the top right there. Come on, people, let's go. Get over, let's get it, let's go. What you doing, old son? You just lollygagging. Figure on the way back maybe we'll go the scenic way home. We can go by. Wow. See, I need some coffee this morning. Need some coffee. Chick-fil-A. That sounds pretty good right now. I always want Chick-fil-A on Sunday mornings. Sunday morning coming down. Lots of people out on bikes for it being not as nice as it is. All right, my turn. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure it's up here on the left somewhere. Like 90% positive. Not 100% positive, just 90% positive. Oh, it could go to Starbucks too. No, we're gonna go to this new place. Well, I don't know if it's new or not. It might have been there for a while, but the place in the Triumph dealership. We have committed at this point. How I used to have my bike serviced right up here on the right-hand side of Mountain Motorsports, but I don't know. I just don't anymore. I see it. Do y'all see it? I see it. Is it gonna be this first turn? I probably should have. No, it's not. Oh, this truck's in the way. What are y'all offloading? Street Scrambler, Pop's Coffee Company. CBR. Alright, my friends, I am all fueled up, ready to roll. I think got all my schmuggles. Alrighty, I am all fueled up, have food for the brain, feel like I'm running in high gear now. We're going to take the long way home, scenic route. I keep checking because I feel like I leave my pockets open. I don't want to lose nothing, just get it and go. What's up, buddy? What's going on, brother? How we doing? You have a blessed morning. I'm just kidding with you guys. I don't actually talk like that. Wait a minute. Why are we not going? What is that? Is that a Triumph? Kind of cool. It's not a Triumph, it'd be kind of awkward. Where y'all walking to? It's got a big old truck. What's up, brother? I guess there are a lot of bikes out today. What you doing? That's a nice bike. See, I don't understand. Riding on my tail, and then it takes a while to pass. I guess that's a school. Looks more like a jail to me. It's kind of cool up here. Oh, the sun looks like it's starting to come out. I see some shadows. No sun actually, but some shadows. Maybe all this fog and stuff will burn off. That'd be nice. Is this Canton Street? Norcross Street. Does that intersect with Canton Street? What do we have here? Standard. It looks like a nice day out. Ooh, big stretches. Oh, it definitely intersects with Canton Street. Alright, we got a turn up here. Alright, right, if you guys haven't been to downtown Roswell, it is a great little spot. Man, it really is getting nice out. Great little spot. Come on, guys, let's go. They have a thing called Alive in Roswell, where they block this entire street off. 1920 is a good restaurant. Doggy dog. They block this entire street off, and they have like beer vendors and all sorts of other stuff down here. There's a lot of people out. It's starting to get real nice. There's Ips. They have some great meatballs. Y'all going to church? I would love to live up here, but the commute is just, with traffic, it's horrible. I can't be doing that. I just can't be doing that. And up here on the left is another really cute coffee shop. Crazy Love. They have this little swing out front. Oh, are y'all doing construction? Little swing out front that I like to sit on. See? Are they closed? No, there's people in there. Sir, what are you doing with a pink... nice truck, buddy. Oh, is this a dead end? Oh, nice, mate. We can cut through. Can we cut through? We're gonna try. That'd be beautiful. Happy 50th birthday. Little SL. I really like those SLK. They make or they used to, they might still, I'm not sure. SLK 550. Be a great little car. Anyways, yeah. Can't wait until Alive at Roswell starts back up again. When's the first one? We think it's in March or April. April maybe? It probably is in April. 1920's good. Come on, let's go. What y'all doing? Oh, and then the mill at Roswell is up here. It's a great little location. We'll come up here and explore a little bit more another time. This is a weird road because depending on the time of the day, you can drive in the middle lane. So in the mornings, they have 2 lanes going south, and then in the evenings they have 2 lanes going north. And I feel like it's always been that way, or at least as long as I can remember. But I can't imagine that they would ever build a road like that again. Because just imagine, somebody is not paying attention to these little signs, and then you end up in a head-on collision. I have driven along here in the evening when it was rush hour. I went and picked up one of my bikes up at Mountain Motorsports after getting serviced at like 5 p.m. And I kid you not, I walked that bike all the way home, all the way down this road. There's so much traffic. There's a stoplight down here that goes to Izalia Drive, which, hey, we're gonna we'll take a little cruise down there, see what's going on. But anyways, it was so crowded, or so much traffic. I was walking along here, just walking. Hey, brothers, where y'all headed? All right, this is Izalia Drive right here. It's like a nice little walking trail. Or maybe not a trail, like a river walk. There's the Redneck Yacht Club. We'll go to the Redneck Yacht Club and turn around there. Pretty neat little spot. Pretty neat. There's the river. Whoa, sir, my turn. I'm not sure that there are any restaurants along here though. Imagine that house just falling down the hill. These are the things I think about while I'm riding. Just me, myself, and I. All of my thoughts. Sir, are you stuck? Sometimes there's people parked on both sides of the road. Popular little spot. Here's the Redneck Yacht Club. See, I wasn't kidding. Redneck Yacht Club. I used to come up here in the middle of COVID and walk along this little trail, and then you can kind of go out into this marsh if you turn left right there. Bless your heart, you can't help it, you're just slow. Because if you ain't first, you're last. If you ain't first, you're last. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Alright, here looks like a good spot. Good spot. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, my turn, my turn. Aston Martin. The sun is shining in the greatest city. Alright then. You and your Tesla, what are we gonna do with you? I forgot to tuck my my straps in again. Hopefully they're not clicking around, clicking around. Looks like the sun's trying to come out, so maybe a little Jimmy Buffett. What do y'all think? Some Jimmy Buffett? Jimmy Buffett sounds pretty good. Yeah, Jimmy Buffett. Glad we decided on that. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Play Jimmy Buffett on Apple Music. Thinking. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Don't worry guys, I'll keep my day job. Oh, down there, good little burger spot. The Select, they have a lamb burger. Let me tell you, son, that sucker's good. Go, 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 go. You zip around, try to cause accidents, and then you barely go when the light's green. What's up with that? What is up with that? I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. You just can't go wrong. You just can't lose. That's the South for you. Downtown. Where should we ride next? Where should we go? Oh, water. Where's all that coming from? I wish this person would move it. Oh, blinker still on. Yet again. Oh, there we go. What kind of fuel mileage are we getting today? $99 right now. 52.5 average since we filled up this morning. That's pretty darn good, son. 138 miles left to go. Not to go, but of range. Y'all, we just ticked over 2,500 miles on the bike. That wasn't the goal for today, but it seems to have happened. Is it my turn? I think I'm gonna go. It's definitely my turn. Big old truck. Anyways, guys, thank you again for joining me on this little ride with, with me, myself, and I. If you liked the content, definitely just let me know, and we will see you guys again next time. Thanks much, and have an awesome day. Bye now.